The moving average of trading ranges over a specified time period is known as the average true range. Market bottoms following a panic sell-off are often where high values occur, and low values are often found during extended sideways periods, such as those found after consolidation periods at tops. Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF test 9-day average true range is 0.0487 and the 14-day average true range is 0.0512. Digging deeper, the 20-day average true range is 0.0562, the 50-day average true range is 0.0747, and, lastly, the 100-day average true range is 0.0858. Volume is the number of shares traded specific period of time. Every buyer has a seller, and each transaction adds to the total count of the volume. When a buyer and a seller agree on a transaction at a certain price, it is considered to be one transaction. For example, if only 20 transactions occur in a trading day, the volume for the day is 20. Volume is used to measure the relative worth of a market move. When the markets make a strong price movement, the strength of that movement depends on the volume over that period. The higher the volume means the more significant the move. Volume levels give clues about where to find the best entry and exit points. Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF experienced a volume of 1100. Volume is an important measure of strength for traders and technical analysts because volume is the number of contracts traded. The market needs to produce a buyer and a seller for any trade to occur. The market price is when buyers and sellers meet. When buyers and sellers become very active at a certain price, this means that there is high volume. Bar charts are used to quickly determine the level of volume and identify trends in volume. A 52-week high-low is the highest and lowest share price that a stock has traded at during the previous year. Investors and traders consider the 52-week high or low as a crucial factor in determining a given stock's current value, while also predicting future price movements. When a commodity trades within its 52-week price range, the range that exists between the 52-week low and the 52-week high, investors usually show more interest as the price nears either the high or the low. One of the more popular strategies used by traders is to buy when the price eclipses its 52-week high or to sell when the price drops below its 52-week low. The rationale involved with this strategy says that if the price breaks out either above or below the 52-week range, there is momentum enough to continue the price fluctuation in a positive direction. Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF's high over the last year was $2.301, while its low was $1.344. A pivot point is a technical analysis indicator used to glean the overall trend of the market over differing time periods. The pivot point itself is simply the average of the high, low and closing prices from the previous day's trading. On the following day, any trading above the pivot point indicates ongoing bullish trends, while trading below the pivot point indicates a bearish trend. Pivot point analysis is used alongside calculating support and resistance levels, much like trend line analysis. In pivot point analysis, the first support and resistance levels are found by utilizing the width of the trading range between the pivot point and either the high or low prices of the previous trading day. Secondary support and resistance levels are found using the full width between the high and low prices of the previous trading day. Pivot points are oft used indicators for trading futures, commodities, and stocks. They are static, remaining at the same price level throughout the day. 5 pivot point levels are generated by using data from the previous day's trading range. These are composed of a pivot point and 2 higher pivot point resistances called R1 and R2, and also 2 lower pivot point supports called as S1 and S2. Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF's pivot point is 1.9487. Barkhart opinions show investors what a variety of popular trading systems are suggesting. These opinions take up to 2 years' worth of historical data and runs the prices through 13 technical indicators. After each calculation, a buy, sell or hold value for each study is assigned, depending on where the price is in reference to the interpretation of the study. Today's opinion, the overall signal based on where the price lies in reference to the common interpretation of all 13 studies for Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF is 16% buy. Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF, as previous opinion, the overall signal from yesterday, based on where the price lies in reference to the common interpretation of all 13 studies, was 8% sell. Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF, S opinion strength, a long-term measurement of signal strength versus the historical strength, is weak. Opinion strength ranges from maximum, strong, average, weak, minimum. A stronger strength is less volatile, and a hold signal does not have any strength. The opinion direction, a 3-day measurement of the movement of the signal, an indication of whether the most recent price movement is going along with the signal. Strongest, strengthening, average, weakening, or weakest. A buy or sell signal with the strongest direction means the signal is becoming stronger. A hold signal direction indicates where the signal is heading, towards a buy or sell, bullish, rising, steady, falling, or bearish. Flyht Aerospace Solutions Ltd. FLYLF, test direction is average.